everyone, welcome back to Gillian's Art Flow. Thank you for joining me, and once again, thank you to my ever increasing number of subscribers. It's really lovely to have you on board. As you can see at the beginning of the video, I actually sold the painting that was hanging in my kitchen. So I needed to do another one that hopefully will temporarily hang in my kitchen. Ever trying to find ways of saving money, I'm doing this on a used canvas, as you can clearly see. It's a print that I've had for a number of years, so it's not pure canvas, it's more like really thick paper. I did originally go over it with a sort of Dutch pour-esque type big huge flower thing, but I haven't had that hanging on my wall for over a year, so I decided to use it again. I put a base down, or a very thin base of a mix of white and copper, just to give it a little bit of colour, but I really did want the original painting I'd done to come through as well. A bit later on in the video I go in and just make it a bit darker. Not sure what happened at the beginning of the video. I don't know, didn't hit record button or something, but hopefully it won't spoil your enjoyment of what this painting ends up looking like. And I was so pleased with it. I will say it was inspired by a new cushion cover that I got in Ikea recently. So I will let you sit back, enjoy the music that I got for you, enjoy the painting, and I'll catch up with you a little later.
You have your barriers high, 'cause you don't know you're one of a kind. You don't wanna let me in, don't wanna be let down. You fear if you let this be, I won't be around. I see the fear in your eyes when we talk about being just you and I know that you've been hurt before, and you don't wanna go near the flames and get burned again. You know that I see you, and I still want you, and I don't wear no tinted glasses. I see through your circumstances. You know that I see you, and I still want you, and I don't wear no tinted glasses. I see through your circumstances. Whoa, whoa. You have a beautiful soul, and I don't wanna let her go. But you don't wanna let me in, don't wanna be let down. You fear if you let this be, I won't be around. I see the fear in your eyes when we talk about being just you and I know that you've been hurt before, and you don't wanna go near the flames and get burned again. Oh, you know that I see you, and I still want you, and I don't wear no tinted glasses. I see through your circumstances. You know that I see you, and I still want you, and I don't wear no tinted glasses. I see through your circumstances. This can't go on forever. The time limit, we're approaching it. Are you really okay with me going away, finding somebody new, someone on the same page as me? Even though we've seen what this could be, You know that I see you, and I still want you. And I don't wear no tinted glasses. I see through your circumstances. You know that I see you, and I still want you. And I don't wear no tinted glasses. I see through your circumstances.
I couldn't quite get this bit right when I had it on my painting table, and I don't own an easel, so I just hung it on the wall, and it really did help, which has made me think that I need to put an easel on my birthday Christmas wish to my darling daughter. And yeah, I put lipstick on like that and then wipe it off as well. I was so darn pleased with the way this worked out. I've been wanting to do what I see as the iconic face for ages, and I've just been a little bit scared of doing it, but I am so proud of this piece. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope the editing wasn't too all over the place. I was kind of trying not to reveal the painting until the end. If you do like what you see and you want to, please like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below and let me know if you think I did actually make the iconic face. Until my next video, please take care, stay safe, and I will see you soon.